Hello guys, welcome back to another episode. So it's around 9 p.m. to 10 in Harare CBD. I just want to show you that it's as business as usual during this hour in Harare. Around 10, people will be just doing business as usual, and even more people during the night. So I'll just show you around. Make 50 cents. So guys, it's business as usual in town, and it's business as usual. Darantengo iri mabhora manherunda. Ko bhutsu dzacho. Ndakungwani pamwe mune mashootazi kana ati pamwe mutorwa neshootazi racho. Otherwise bo. Boom yeah. So guys, this is Harare guys. People don't sleep. And around this time it won't be too scary, you know, because everyone will be in the streets. If now army at Park Street. So this side does not have many people because it's dark around this side. But where there is some lights, you will find a lot of people selling because the customers will be able to see. I'm here at Park Street. Park Street. So some of the shops they've already closed, but all the things that you want, you will find them in the streets. Everything you want, be it sugar, be it what you find here on the streets with the vendors. Wow, we are big, guys. We are big. So that was Harare. People don't rest here. People, they hustle, they look for the band. You know, during the after hour, there will be no police. Mari, kuona magrapes maombe. Tinzo wanu utaruta pirera. Mwana mbogara nchitenga maombe wanu. Ndibe wanu. Andi mbrane, da dole. So I was buying some grapes today. I found they were too small. I used to buy big ones there. I don't know what. Or it's just that the guy is the next guy, not this one. Guys, look at that building. Look at that building, guys. This is Harare during the night. Look at that building. That building, guys, is just something else. Is it that they forget to remove? And that one is Joiner City. That one is Joiner City. See that they forget to remove those lights on Christmas, or it's just the decoration or something. That one is Joiner City. Joiner City. So this side, because of traffic, there is no people who move here. So there is no business this side. There is no business. Even during the day, it will be less people. Maybe for the people that are just walking, but for the business, it's very low. Maybe let's see around First Street. Maybe we'll find a lot of people there, but I doubt, because people from this side, they don't walk. Yeah, there's fewer people here. Fewer people. Our park is empty, maybe just 1, 2, 3 people. This one is 4th Street, Simon Mazuru.